Once upon a time, in a magical forest, there was a little rabbit named Remy and a friendly bear named Benny. They were best friends who loved adventures and fun. One sunny afternoon, Remy and Benny were playing near a sparkling stream when they saw a colorful flyer. It was an invitation to the great Halloween adventure. The animals in the forest were planning a huge celebration filled with games, treats, and laughter. Excited, Remy and Benny hopped and danced all the way to the gathering place. When they arrived, they saw their forest friends dressed in delightful costumes. Sammy the squirrel was a funny-looking pumpkin, and Daisy the deer wore a fairy princess outfit. The adventure began with a costume parade. Remy wore a sweet little witch's hat, and Benny put on a funny ghost mask. They giggled and twirled, feeling like Halloween superstars. Next was the candy corn relay race. Remy and Benny joined a team with Sammy and Daisy. They had to pass a candy corn without using their hands, but it was so hard not to laugh as the candy kept dropping. Then there was pumpkin painting. They got to decorate pumpkins with all sorts of bright colors and funny faces. Remy's pumpkin had a big smile, and Benny's pumpkin had a wacky mustache. The highlight of the day was the friendly scarecrow contest. All the animals had made scarecrows to look funny, not scary. Remy and Benny's scarecrow wore the silliest hat and had the funniest dance moves. The laughter filled the air. As the sun set and the stars began to twinkle, they gathered around a campfire. They roasted marshmallows and told stories about their favorite adventures. Remy and Benny shared the tale of their amazing day, and everyone giggled and cheered. When it was time to go home, Remy and Benny felt grateful for the wonderful day of adventure and friendship. They realized that Halloween was about having fun, making friends, and creating beautiful memories. And so, in the heart of the enchanted forest, every Halloween, the animals would come together for the great Halloween adventure, bringing joy and laughter to all.